If you are still paying monthly fees for MidJourney or Photoshop, you are basically burning money. Seriously, it feels like paying rent for a house you never sleep in. But today I found something interesting. It is called NanoFlow. It claims to replace those expensive tools for a price cheaper than a large pepperoni pizza, and it promises to do it all with zero technical skills. Is it actually a MidJourney killer, or just another shiny object that breaks after 2 days? Let's find out. Hey everyone, Kamala here from TestedApps.com. I have spent the last 6 years testing software, tools, and money-making systems. I do this so you do not have to waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we are looking at NanoFlow. I'm going to give you the honest truth. No fluff, no hype, just real results. Before we dive in, I've put together a special bonus package for you. If you decide NanoFlow is right for you, grab it through the link in the description below. You will get my exclusive bonuses automatically. I'll tell you more about those at the end. So, what exactly is NanoFlow? In simple terms, it is a cloud-based AI platform. It turns your text into images. You type words, and it draws a picture. But it's not just for making cartoons. It also edits photos. You can take a photo of yourself and tell the AI to change your clothes, or remove that random tourist from your vacation photo. The big selling point here is the price model. Most AI tools charge you every single month. NanoFlow charges you once. You pay a low fee one time and you get access forever. The creators say it uses something called Google Nano Banana technology. Yes, they actually called it Nano Banana. I promise I am not making that up. But hey, if it works, I don't care if they call it Space Monkey. Using this thing is ridiculously simple. It really comes down to 3 steps. Step 1, log into the cloud dashboard. There's nothing to install. It works on your Mac, your PC, or even your phone while you're waiting for your coffee. Step 2, enter your prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you want. For example, you could type a cyberpunk city with neon lights, or a cute cat eating a taco. You can also upload an existing photo if you want to edit it. Step 3, click Generate. In a few seconds, the AI spits out your image. You can download it, use it for your blog, or sell it to a client. That's it. No coding, no complex settings. It's designed for total beginners. Now, let's talk about why you should actually care about this. Here are the top 3 benefits I found. Benefit number 1 is the cost savings. This is obvious. If you're paying $20 a month for Adobe or $10 for MidJourney, that adds up to hundreds of dollars a year. NanoFlow stops that bleeding immediately. Benefit number 2 is the commercial license. This is huge. Usually, software vendors make you pay extra for this, but with NanoFlow, it's included on the front end. This means you can create logos, flyers, or social media graphics and sell them to clients. You keep 100% of the profit. Benefit number 3 is the smart editing. This is my favorite part. You don't need to learn layers or masking. You just speak to the software. You say, remove the background, and it does it. It saves you so much time compared to learning professional design tools. Let's do a quick price check. Right now, MidJourney will cost you at least $120 a year. Photoshop is even more expensive, costing over $200 a year. NanoFlow is launching for a one-time price between $12 and $17. Think about that. You pay once and you're done. Even if you only use it to make one thumbnail a month, it pays for itself almost instantly. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Welcome to NanoFlow, your one-stop shop for image generating and access to 100+ other AIs. First, let's go through the main thing about NanoFlow, which is the Nano Banana chat image generator. And we're just gonna go with Nano Banana here, and I'm just gonna give it a prompt. Click on send. Then Nano Banana is gonna pick that up. It's gonna create a crisp, really nice image for us. And then in the same conversation, we're gonna be able to chat with it and ask for modifications. Let's ask it to make the product red. And it's going to pick up on all of the conversations that you have, and it's going to improve the image with every prompt to make sure that it's something that you are looking for. You can even add your own images and have Nano Banana edit those. You can tell Nano Banana your style, your brand voice, your brand colors, whatever you want to generate the best images for you. With unlimited conversations that you can have and unlimited images that you can create, NanoFlow comes in strong with a bunch of other AIs that you can use, including a video generator using DALL-E and even a standalone image generator where you can just create simple, non-chat based images. NanoFlow is extremely simple to use. After your purchase, you'll get your login details. You'll be able to log into this dashboard here. You'll have access to 24/7 support and training materials to help you get started with NanoFlow. And you're going to have all of these AIs here trained to help you succeed. And with our 30 days money back guarantee, NanoFlow is a no-brainer. Buy it, check it out. We hope you like it, and I hope to see you inside.
Have you ever taken a photo that you simply loved, except for maybe some annoying detail in the background? It could be another person blocking out your perfect Eiffel Tower selfie. It could be some clouds ruining your dream sunset. Or even a Hertz rental sticker on your brand new Lambo. Ha! You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, you've basically been stuck with two options. 1. Pay someone to fix it via Photoshop or spend hours learning it yourself. 2. Suck it up and live with it. Well, option number 1 sure sounds good, but in reality, it's rarely worth the money, time, and effort, and life's too short to settle for option number 2. Lucky for you, starting today, there's another, better, faster, cheaper option. It's called NanoFlow, powered by Google's Nano Banana. The name is silly, but the tech? Mind-blowing. It uses the same tech behind ChatGPT 5, DALL-E, MidJourney, and more to create custom graphics, images, and digital avatars out of text prompts you insert into the software. This is real AI at work. No templates involved. NanoFlow creates 100% commercial and royalty-free graphics and images that don't exist anywhere else. So you could use it for yourself or sell to clients and businesses. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software. Step 2. Insert the written text prompt and feed it to our AI generator. Step 3. Watch it turn your prompt into an image, graphic, or digital avatar. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There's no restrictions, and commercial license is included, which means you can sell your creations. Use it to create mock-ups for businesses in real estate, marketing, industry, heck, even t-shirt selling. Use it to create royalty-free stock images in any niche and sell them. Use it for graphics in your business, or sell graphics on sites like Flippa. Use it to turn any idea from words to reality in under 45 seconds. You write directly to this AI made by Google. You simply tell it what you want. Nano Banana, delete the other tourists. Add a sun instead of clouds. Remove my Hertz rental sticker, and so on. And it simply does it. No editing, no learning, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, loads from your phone, and feels like the future. What if you could cash in on all the market frenzy and buzz surrounding images, but with zero risk for you? With NanoFlow, you now can. It will allow you to literally create images out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good. Thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. Best part? You can now. Stop buying stock images and paying ridiculous fees only to never find exactly what you want. Stop paying designers for graphics they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Illustrator. Actually, you can go ahead and delete any graphics apps. NanoFlow renders them obsolete. You could become the next travel influencer. Today you're in Paris, tomorrow in London, and so on, starting from just one Imagine taken in your backyard. Dominate the food and cooking trends with tens of recipes each day, all supported by some very appealing visuals that were once a sad bowl of pasta. Promote your hair salon by showing the latest hairstyles as seen on yourself. No need for models. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want and NanoFlow creates the perfect image, no matter how crazy your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting designers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You will be amazed. I know I was. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. I already got my copy, you should too. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. Act now and secure your spot for NanoFlow.
Now, be aware, there is a funnel. After you buy the main software, they will offer you some upgrades. These are optional, but here's what you need to know. OTO1 is the Pro Edition. It costs around $37. This unlocks 4K rendering resolution. It also claims to include a video maker and an AI copywriter. If you want high-definition images for print, you probably want this upgrade.
OTO2 is the enterprise license. This is about $27. It gives you a done-for-you store to sell your graphics. It also adds Instagram and WhatsApp broadcasting. OTO3 is the done-for-you suite. This gives you reseller rights to other ops and some affiliate training. OTO4 is the reseller license. This lets you sell NanoFlow as your own product and keep all the commissions. My recommendation, stick with the front end first. If you need high resolution later, grab the Pro upgrade. The rest are only if you really need those specific tools. Here's my personal take. The image quality is good for the price. Is it going to beat a professional artist who spends 3 days on a painting? No. But for blog posts, YouTube thumbnails, and social media ads, it's absolutely fantastic. The name Nano Banana still makes me laugh, but the tech behind it is solid. It creates images fast, and the server didn't crash on me. That's a win in my book. However, I need to be real with you. This is not a magic button that will print Bitcoin for you. I know the sales page mentions a Bitcoin revenue generator in the upgrades. Please ignore that hype. This is a tool. It makes images. It does not magically put money in your bank account unless you actually do the work to sell those images. Also, if you need super ultra high-end graphics for a billboard in Times Square, you might still need professional software. NanoFlow is for speed and efficiency, not for museum art. Imagine never having to search for a stock photo again. Imagine never having to worry about copyright strikes because you used an image from Google. With NanoFlow, you control your own creative assets. You become your own graphics department. And right now, you can get in for the price of a lunch. But this launch price usually goes up fast, so don't wait until it costs a monthly fee. If this sounds like something that can help your business, check out the link in the description below. When you buy through my link, you also get my custom bonuses to help you get traffic to your new graphics business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. If this review saved you some time or money, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This is Kamal from TestedApps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.